Are you wearing Daniel's boots?
Or she can figure out anything. Just anything. Or she's going to crawl on it, just like that.
Aren't you so smart? You got out of the boots. Boots. Where do the boots go? On your feet?
Put them on. You know how to put them on?
Look at that.
Boots?
Well, Nana will help you. Mommy, the girls are busy.
Here, Sheree, will you video this?
Grab them.
Yeah.
Grab them now.
Will you turn on the, well, there's another light. Hold on. It's, wait. Where am I?
It's okay. You put on one boot. Where's the other boot? Hold on to mommy. Yeah. Put on Daniel's boots and take a walk. 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 Lift your feet. Lift your feet. Are you going to dance in the boots?
She can dance, don't even have to move her shoes.
You are silly. You're going to fall. Be careful. What you doing with your hands? Big step. Big step. Big shoes.
Well, baby steps for her.
Boots. Heavy. Boots are heavy.
Oh, she's getting out of my camera range.
Oh. Okay, more steps. More steps to the table.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't think so.
Candle.
I don't think so.
She said
I don't
nothing
think
wrong
so.
already. And
No,
Is it candles or to look
no
at?
candles.
great.
No candles.
Izzy.
Not today.
Izzy, show mommy. Where's your boots? Izzy.
No candles.
Izzy. Are you in boots? Oh. Okay.
Absolutely, nothing phases that girl. Look at this. Uh-oh.
Okay, all done.